Hello everyone, welcome back to a new school year. And with a new school year, it's time to archive those old Google Classrooms and create new Google Classrooms. So as you can see here, I've got a lot of my tiles for my Google Classrooms, and I want to archive a class. That means I no longer want to make it active on my screen. So if I click on these three little dots up here in the corner of each tile, you'll see that, I can say archive. And what happens is it takes it off of my active classroom list. So where do I find that archived class? I go here to the hamburger, we call it, these three vertical lines. Horizontal, so sorry. And I scroll down to the bottom, and here in my archive classes, you'll find the class that I just archived. Now you'll notice that each of the archived classrooms has kind of that hashing in the colored portion of the tile. That just lets you know that it's an archived class. Now if I totally want to get rid of that class, again, from this point, from the archived class list, I can click on the three little dots and I can click on delete. I'm not quite ready to get rid of this class, so I'm just going to leave it archived for now because I might want to come back in and reuse posts from this. If I totally delete it, then I can't reuse those posts that I created in this class from last year. So let's go back to our active class list and create a new class for this year. Now Google Classroom has made some new updates, and so things are going to look a little bit different. And so I want to just let you know that subsequent videos are going to demonstrate how to use some of those new features in the updated Google Classroom. So if I want to create a new class for this year, I'm going to click on the plus. I'm going to say create class. And we're going to give it a title. Now if you're a self-contained classroom like in Ramsey, you might want to say, Mrs. Weber's class, and down in the section you might put the grade level, and then I highly encourage you to put in the year. If you're in where you teach more of a subject matter, you might type in Social Studies 8. You're going to add then your name at that point, and then again I say to put in the class year, because you might rename that class year after year. You want to be able to just easily know which year that you're looking at. And then all you have to do is click on the create button, and it's going to create that new class for you. Let's just give it a minute. You can see how it says the title of the class in bold, and then the teacher's name or whatever you typed into that second line is going to show up here in the lighter print. And you can see already there have been some changes to Google Classroom, and we're going to be talking about those in our next video. Thanks for listening.